That shot, the one you're seeing right now, was impossible just a few years ago without a Hollywood budget. We've tested 25 of the top drones this year. From the ridiculously expensive to the shockingly cheap. We crashed them, pushed their range, and tested their cameras in brutal conditions. And after all that, only 5 made the cut. One of them costs less than your monthly phone bill, and one of them will absolutely blow your mind. Let's get into it. Starting at number 1. DJI Mini 4K Camera Drone Combo. Best overall. With a 4K Ultra HD camera and a 3-axis gimbal, the DJI Mini 4 shoots high-resolution video that won't shake or rattle as you fly. The drone pairs that gimbal with level 5 wind resistance, so even if you're shooting video on a blustery day, your footage will be clear and steady. Alongside the robust stability features, the drone has a powerful motor to propel the drone to over 35 miles per hour at top speed. This makes it perfect for recording extreme sports or high-speed video. It also allows for takeoff at an altitude of more than 4,000 meters. Because the Mini 4 holds 2 batteries in its body, the maximum battery range is also higher than many similar models. The drone flies continuously for over an hour at a time before requiring a recharge. The only potential drawback is that the remote is the sole means of controlling the drone versus additionally being able to use your smartphone. If this isn't a deal breaker, this is still the drone to buy based on camera quality and other features for the price. Number 2. Potensic Atom SE Drone. Best value. The Atom SE has many of the same features as the DJI Mini 4 but with lower price attached. It's true that the competition has a superior camera and obstacle avoidance, but otherwise, the Potensic matches the DJI pretty much across the board, including its battery power. This tiny drone also has a 4K HD camera with stabilization tech to help the 12MP photos and 4K, 30 frames per second footage come out clear. It also has a control system with 3 modes, including video, normal, and sport, and plenty of tracking modes. A GPS-assisted return home button sets the drone to fly back to you in case of emergencies. It can withstand level 5 wind. The Atom SE is a frequently recommended value-forward product from Reddit drone enthusiasts. Several user reviews say that the Atom SE is great for beginners and experienced users alike and comment on its easy software, surprisingly well-made construction, and terrific controller. However, some say its lack of obstacle avoidance can make flight feel risky for new users. Number 3. DJI Mavic Air 2 Fly More Combo with DJI Smart Controller. Best for intermediate pilots. Kyle thinks the Mavic Air 2 is the perfect tweener drone, because it gives you some of the higher-level camera capabilities of the most expensive Autel and Mavic 2 Pro drones, as well as more advanced sensing technology, without an eye-watering price tag. Among the key camera features is the ability to shoot 8K hyperlapse. The hyperlapse feature is time-lapse video, but do note that's a battery-intensive mode that only lets you launch, fly a bit, record, and then immediately land. Likewise, 48MP image capture is a digital trick that takes multiple images simultaneously. It doesn't replicate the crystal-clear photography you get from the larger sensor on DJI's Mavic 2 Pro. Still, the feature set of the Air 2 is excellent. For instance, the Point of Interest 3.0 mode allows the Air 2 to create an automated flight path around an object, think 360 degrees around a boat in the water. Spotlight 2.0 lets you tap an object, like a person, in the viewfinder to keep the camera fixed on that subject, so you can focus on flying while the subject moves. The Mavic Air 2 also has forward, backward, and downward sensing, distinguishing it from the Mavic Mini 2, which lacks sensors. Number 4. Potensic Atom 2 Drone. Best value camera. This compact and affordable from Potensic was impressive for a number of reasons, but stood out the most for its controller and camera. Firstly, its controller works in tandem with your smartphone. Using the provided cable, I connected my smartphone directly to the controller and it immediately worked as a video panel. I was able to see what the Atom 2 saw through my phone screen while using the joysticks for accurate and responsive movement. The video camera is also incredibly high quality, especially at the price point. The 4K video resolution led to some incredibly clear footage and looked great even when subject were in motion. The drone is also quite compact. The forelegs all fold in and the propeller blades folds back so the entire device fits easily in your hand and packs efficiently in the carrying case alongside the controller and backup batteries. Number 5. DJI Neo Mini Drone. Best budget option. If you want to grab a drone for your kids or don't want to sink a fortune on your very first device, the DJI Neo is the right option for you. The drone comes with many of the same features as larger, more expensive drones but does so in an affordable compact package. This specific drone also does not require the use of a remote control and can be flown directly from your smartphone. During testing, this took less than 5 minutes to connect and set up. I was also pleasantly surprised at its stability even in windy conditions. Despite its compact size, the drone comes with level 4 wind resistance, which was enough for smooth footage against a stiff breeze. This actually came in handy during the relatively windy day I first flew it in. Even as I sent it higher into the air where the wind was much stronger, the drone didn't waver or sway. The drone also comes with snap-on propeller guards which protect small fingers from hurting themselves on the. So there you have it, the 5 champions that survived our brutal testing gauntlet. Whether you're a total beginner or a seasoned pro, one of these is your next machine. Ready to find the perfect drone for you? We've done the hard work and hunted down the best deals. All the links to every model we talked about today are in the video description below. Just click, and you're there. If this guide saved you hours of research or got you excited to fly, pay it forward, smash that like button, and share this with someone who needs to see it. The algorithm loves that stuff, and it helps us out massively. If you're not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? We're your ultimate guide to capturing the world from above. Hit subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss what's next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.